Hi everybody, welcome to another Chats with Chaudhry. I hope you're all safe and well. Today's Chat with Chaudhry is with Alexander Bautista, who is the product manager for the Serenity platform at SGD Pharma. And we're going to be talking about ready-to-use or RTU molded glass vials. So bonjour, Alexander.
Bonjour, Rizwan. Nice to
Well,
talk
or
with you
should it be
today.
buenos dias? I'm not sure what I should be saying. So how are you?
I am from Colombia, yes, so I can say buenos dias, I can say bonjour, because I am based at the headquarters of SGD Pharma in Paris. Nice to talk with you today.
Lovely to meet you as well. So today we're going to be talking about molded glass vials, which are obviously very topical given the search for COVID-19 and a vaccine, because vials are one of the key delivery mechanisms, I think, for the vaccine when they find one. But before we talk about that, perhaps you can tell people a little bit about SGD Pharma and your role within the organization.
Yes, SGD Pharma is a global leader of primary packaging in glass for the pharmaceutical industry. I am a product manager, so I am responsible to develop the product and the marketing plan for Serenity, which is a platform, the first platform for molded glass in ready to use. Is the first platform developed from a global manufacturer of molded glass.
Fantastic. So let's talk about molded glass vials. I mean, what are they used for and what are the key benefits for drug manufacturers?
Yes, there are different types of molded glass. With Serenity ready to use, we are in type 1 glass, which is used for sensitive molecules, in particular injectable drugs.
Right.
These are oncological drugs, blood derivatives, or biopharmaceuticals. And what are the benefits? There are several with molded glass. The first is the optimum mechanical resistance. It means that this is a strong vial that will not break during the production line, for example, of the at the pharmaceutical company. The benefit for the pharmaceutical company is that there will be less stops in their line. So again, in terms of productivity and overall, less risk of particles contamination to make a product that is safer for the patient. There is also a benefit in terms of chemical resistance, because molded glass is very strong in terms of chemical performance, meaning that there is no risk of interaction with the molecule, and the benefit is that the drug will be stable and safe for the patient.
Fantastic. Now, I know that you guys this week are extending your range of glass molded glass vials to 50 milliliter vials across both your ISO and your EasyLyo injectable vials. So why have you added this additional size, if you like, to the portfolio?
Yes, so in ready-to-use solutions, there is a large offer of small vials, meaning below 20 ml, 30 ml. And there are few options in big sizes like 50. So we wanted to expand possibilities for the pharmaceutical companies. And when it comes to big volume vials, you need strong vials. And with molded glass, this is a performance solution.
Perfect. Okay. Now, I know the Serenity range is actually produced in partnership with the Stefanotto group. So how long have you been in partnership with them, and what really is the benefit to your customers to have such a partnership?
We have a long-term strategic relationship with Stefanotto Group that started in 2017. The benefit for our customers is that they can trust a state-of-the-art process, because when it comes to ready-to-use solutions, the pharmaceutical company delegates the washing, deperogenation, and sterilization to the packaging supplier. So the first is there is trust. On the other hand, we both companies have a historical know-how for Stefanotto Group with their platform, which is a recognized platform called EasyFill, where they process syringes, cartridges, and now our molded glass vials. And from the SGD Pharma side, we have a historical know-how in manufacturing of vials for injectable drugs.
Brilliant. Now, I know that you already had the ISO 20 range, so why have you included the EasyLyo vials in your product portfolio as well?
That's an excellent question, because the type of drugs that are packed in ready-to-use solutions could be liquids or can be lyophilized drugs. And the lyophilization cycle is a very it's a cycle that can create breakages in glass. And EasyLyo is a molded glass design that combines all the mechanical and chemical properties of molded glass with an improved cosmetic aspect compared to a standard molded glass. So with this product, the customer has the possibility of having a performance vial that will not break or during the lyophilization cycle, and there will be less risk of particles contamination in the lyophilizator.
Okay, brilliant. Now, if people want to know more about SGD Pharma's RTU molded glass vials range, and also about the new product portfolio extension, where can they find more information?
On our website, we have a dedicated page to sterility, to our platform of ready-to-use molded glass vials. And we have recently published a white paper where people who want to know more about the dynamics of ready-to-use and how this is driving an extension of the offer in vials, they can download it in our website, or they can also find it at the digital platform of the CPHI festival that's coming in the next week.
Fantastic. All right. Well, look, all that's left for me to say is, Alexander, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. I learned more about molded glass than I knew before, so it's always good to learn something new. If you would like to know more, as Alexander mentioned, there is information on the SGD website. The link is above the video. There's also the white paper. Again, the link is going to be above the video. Or you can, as he said, check them out at Festival of Pharma, which is starting next week. And you can talk to them. And if you want to speak to Alexander directly, you can leave a comment below the video, and I'm sure he'll be happy to answer, or message him directly, because he will be tagged on this video. So there's lots of ways to communicate with SGD and Alexander directly if you want to know more about this. So Alexander, adios.
Muchas gracias. Adios.
Yeah,
Merci. Thank you.
And au revoir.
Have a nice day.
You too as well. And to everybody else, I hope you all found that interesting. And as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.